Zero Motorcycles S 2026, the smart electric street motorcycle that redefines urban riding. The Zero Motorcycles S 2026 is one of the most practical and exciting electric motorcycles available today. Designed for riders who want a perfect combination of performance, efficiency, and cutting-edge technology, the Zero S proves that electric motorcycles are no longer just an alternative, they are the future of urban transportation. Built by California-based Zero Motorcycles, the Zero S is engineered for commuters, weekend riders, and technology enthusiasts who appreciate instant torque, smooth acceleration, and nearly silent operation. Unlike traditional gasoline-powered motorcycles, the Zero S requires very little maintenance while delivering an incredibly enjoyable riding experience. Whether you're riding through crowded city streets or taking a scenic weekend trip, the Zero S provides impressive range, premium technology, and thrilling performance in a lightweight package. Modern and minimalist design. The 2026 Zero S features a sleek, aggressive Street Fighter-inspired design that immediately grabs attention. Every part of the motorcycle has been carefully designed for maximum efficiency and aerodynamic performance. Its sharp LED headlight, muscular body panels, compact battery placement, lightweight frame, and premium alloy wheels give it a futuristic appearance. Unlike bulky adventure bikes or cruisers, the Zero S maintains a clean and athletic profile that makes it easy to handle in city traffic. The riding position is upright and comfortable, allowing riders to enjoy excellent visibility and reduced fatigue during long commutes. The motorcycle also features premium paint finishes, stylish graphics, and high-quality build materials that make it feel like a premium electric machine. Powerful electric performance. One of the biggest highlights of the Zero Motorcycles S is its electric powertrain. Instead of using a conventional gasoline engine, the Zero S is powered by a high-performance Z-Force electric motor that produces instant torque from the moment the throttle is opened. Unlike internal combustion motorcycles that require gear changes and clutch operation, the Zero S offers smooth, twist-and-go riding. Acceleration feels immediate, making overtaking traffic effortless and exciting. The motorcycle delivers excellent low-end power while maintaining smooth performance at highway speeds. Whether you're leaving a traffic signal or climbing steep roads, the Zero S responds instantly. Impressive battery technology. The heart of the Zero S is its advanced lithium-ion battery system. The battery has been engineered to provide excellent energy density while maintaining long-term durability. Depending on the riding mode, speed, and road conditions, riders can enjoy impressive riding range on a single charge. The battery management system continuously monitors temperature, charging, and performance to maximize battery life and efficiency. Zero Motorcycles has invested years of research into improving battery reliability, allowing riders to confidently use the motorcycle for daily transportation. Fast charging convenience. Charging an electric motorcycle has become easier than ever. The Zero S supports multiple charging options depending on the selected model and accessories. Owners can charge the motorcycle overnight using a standard home outlet or significantly reduce charging time with optional fast charging equipment. For many daily commuters, charging once overnight is enough for several days of city riding. This convenience eliminates frequent visits to fuel stations while reducing overall operating costs. Comfortable riding experience. Comfort is one of the strongest qualities of the Zero S. The upright handlebars provide natural ergonomics. The well-padded seat offers excellent support during both short and long rides. Foot-peg positioning creates a relaxed riding posture suitable for urban commuting and weekend touring. The suspension system effectively absorbs road imperfections, providing confidence on uneven streets and highways. Whether riding solo or carrying a passenger, the motorcycle maintains impressive stability. Lightweight and easy handling. The Zero S is significantly lighter than many traditional motorcycles in its category. The lightweight aluminum frame and centralized battery placement create excellent balance. Low-speed maneuvering feels effortless, making parking and navigating traffic much easier. New riders will appreciate the predictable handling, while experienced riders will enjoy its responsive cornering characteristics. The motorcycle feels agile in tight city environments yet remains stable during highway cruising. Advanced suspension system. Zero equips the S with premium suspension components designed for both comfort and sporty riding. The front suspension absorbs bumps efficiently while maintaining steering precision. The rear shock keeps the motorcycle stable during acceleration, braking, and cornering. The suspension setup provides confidence whether riding on smooth roads or rough urban pavement. Powerful braking performance. Safety is a major priority. The Zero S comes equipped with powerful front and rear disc brakes that deliver strong stopping performance. Modern ABS technology helps prevent wheel lock during emergency braking. This improves rider confidence in wet roads and unpredictable traffic conditions. Brake feel remains progressive and predictable, allowing smooth control in everyday riding. Smart technology. The Zero Motorcycles S is loaded with advanced technology. A full-color TFT display provides clear information including speed, battery percentage, estimated remaining range, riding mode, power output, regenerative braking settings, trip information, charging status. Everything is presented in an easy-to-read interface. Smartphone connectivity. Using the official Zero Motorcycles mobile application, riders can access numerous smart features. The app allows users to monitor charging progress, customize riding modes, view battery health, track ride statistics, locate the motorcycle, receive software updates. These connected features create a modern ownership experience that traditional motorcycles cannot easily match. Multiple riding modes. Different riding situations require different performance characteristics. The Zero S includes multiple ride modes such as Eco Mode, Street Mode, Sport Mode, Rain Mode, Custom Mode. Each mode adjusts power delivery, regenerative braking, and throttle response. Eco Mode maximizes battery range. Sport Mode delivers maximum acceleration. Rain Mode provides smoother throttle control for slippery conditions. Custom Mode lets riders personalize the motorcycle according to their preferences. Regenerative braking. One of the unique advantages of electric motorcycles is regenerative braking. When the rider closes the throttle, the electric motor converts kinetic energy back into battery power. This increases efficiency while reducing brake wear. Many riders enjoy the one-pedal style riding experience created by regenerative braking. Low maintenance costs. Traditional motorcycles require oil changes, air filter replacement, spark plugs, clutch maintenance, exhaust servicing. The Zero S eliminates many of these maintenance requirements. With fewer moving parts, ownership costs are significantly reduced. This makes the motorcycle attractive for daily commuters seeking long-term savings. Quiet yet exciting. The nearly silent electric motor creates a unique riding experience. Instead of engine vibration and exhaust noise, riders hear only the subtle sound of the electric motor. This makes city riding more relaxing while reducing noise pollution. Many riders find the smooth and silent acceleration surprisingly addictive. Environmental benefits. The Zero S produces zero tailpipe emissions. By eliminating gasoline consumption, the motorcycle contributes to cleaner urban air quality. When charged using renewable electricity, its environmental impact becomes even lower. For environmentally conscious riders, the Zero S represents a responsible transportation choice. Everyday practicality. The Zero S is ideal for daily commuting, office travel, college transportation, weekend rides, urban exploration, short highway trips. Its comfortable ergonomics, practical range, and low running costs make it an excellent all-around motorcycle. Who should buy the Zero Motorcycles S? The Zero S is perfect for riders who want modern electric technology, instant acceleration, low maintenance, premium features, quiet operation, smart connectivity, excellent efficiency, comfortable daily commuting. It appeals to both first-time electric motorcycle buyers and experienced riders looking for a practical second motorcycle. Final verdict. The 2026 Zero Motorcycles S demonstrates how far electric motorcycles have evolved. Combining impressive performance, intelligent technology, excellent comfort, and remarkably low operating costs, it stands out as one of the best electric street motorcycles available today. Its lightweight handling, instant torque, premium electronics, customizable ride modes, regenerative braking, and modern styling create a riding experience that feels both exciting and practical. Whether you're commuting through busy city streets or enjoying a relaxing weekend ride, the Zero S delivers smooth, responsive, and environmentally friendly performance. If you're ready to embrace the future of motorcycling without sacrificing fun or everyday usability, The Zero Motorcycles S is a compelling choice that proves electric motorcycles can be every bit as thrilling as their gasoline-powered counterparts.